Welcome to TextIt tutorial, HTML introduction. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. HTML. What does it mean? Means it's made of lots of markup tags. Now let's look at one of the tags, P. P, it's a paragraph. When you write a document, you have a paragraph. It's the same thing. P represent paragraph. How do you write it? Well, this is how you write it. You have angled brackets around it, around the tag name. And that's what's called opening tag. And you're going to have another tag similar in the end called closing tag. Now this tag has an extra slash. This only goes in a closing tag. And in the middle, you put your content. Whatever goes in the paragraph, you put it right in the middle. And that makes it a paragraph. And the whole thing is called an HTML element. Got it? Opening tag, closing tag, and content in the middle. Now, not every tag should have content in the middle. For example, BR is another tag. It means break, a new line. It does not have any content. So you have an opening tag and a closing tag. Do you really need two tags if there is no content? No, you don't. So this is how you write it. Tags. So here you have a slash before the tag, and in this shorthand you have slash after the tag. Tags are not case sensitive. Capital P equal to lower p doesn't really matter. But always use lowercase. Always use lowercase. Because everybody does. So you should use it too. I mean lowercase. Most tags can have nested HTML tags in it. No, not this kind of nest. I mean elements within elements. So let's say this is an HTML element paragraph. How about we put another element paragraph in between as content? Well, this is nicely put it. So you have a paragraph within paragraph. How about paragraph within a paragraph within a paragraph? How about paragraph within a paragraph within a paragraph? Till you can take it. Looks like a tree. Yes, it does. Now let's learn mother of all tags. HTML. This is the root tag. Oh my God. This is the first thing you learn when you write your document. HTML tag. This is how you start your document with writing an HTML tag. So you have an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. What's the second element you need to write? Header. What is header? Header represents information about your page, like title. Title doesn't actually go on your web page. It goes on your browser. So on the top of your browser, you would see the title. But don't put anything in the header that you want to be displayed on the web page. You put everything that you want to be displayed on the web page inside a body tag. That's our next tag after header. So you have an HTML tag, and inside you have two tags, header and a body. And in a header you put the metadata about your page, like title and anything that you want to link to this HTML page. And in the body, you put the content of your web page. Now comes footer. Footer comes after body. What would you put in a footer? If you look at a web page like Amazon, you have all the links at the bottom of the page. that goes in the footer. All the miscellaneous links about your web page. A lot of people don't use footer these days, but if you want to use it, go ahead. We forgot one of the most important tag that goes all the way on the top, called doc type. As you can see, there's an exclamation before doc. Doc type HTML means this document is written in HTML5. What is HTML5? Well, there was a HTML 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's 5. It's the latest version of HTML. And well, until at least today, if you're reading this before 2016, because in 2016 it might become HTML6. Who knows? What does it really mean, HTML5? Means HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML, has lots of cool features. And you can do more with less code. So always try to write your code in HTML5, the latest format. Now let's do a recap. So today we learned HTML element, where you have opening tag and a closing tag with a slash in it, and you put content right in between. We learned an important tag called paragraph and another tag called break. Break has no content, and you can write your shorthand break by putting a slash behind the tag BR. And this is your template HTML document. Anytime you want to create a new HTML document, you need minimum of these tags. What's next? Well, in the next tutorial, we will build our first HTML page. So we'll learn how to get started and write our first page. I know there's a lot to digest in this tutorial, but stay tuned for the next one to build your first HTML page. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.